Ready to give your eyes a break? Switch to dark mode on TikTok in just a few taps and enjoy a smoother experience. Let's dive in, but first make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable dark mode in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. This is your gateway to all the fun. Now tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your TikTok profile page. In the top right corner of your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on it. This will open the settings menu. In the menu, tap on the settings and privacy. Again, scroll down within the settings until you find the display and brightness option under the content and activity section. Once you tap on the display and brightness, you will be presented with two options, light and dark. Simply select the dark to enable the dark mode. And just like that, your TikTok will now be enabled in dark theme. So this is how to enable dark mode in TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.